You're not just tired because you didn't sleep well. You're tired because your soul is worn out. Because every day you wake up and play a role one you didn't choose. Smile, work, pretend, repeat. But behind your eyes, there's a quiet ache, not from lack of sleep, but from lack of meaning. You scroll, you reply, you achieve. But none of it makes you feel alive. You're surrounded by stimulation, but you feel numb. You're connected to everyone, but you feel unseen. This isn't just exhaustion. This is existential fatigue. The kind of tiredness that sleep can't fix. Nietzsche once said, "He who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow." But what if you've lost your why? Or worse, never found it? Modern life doesn't ask you to be human. It asks you to be productive. To produce, perform, provide, to be useful until you break. And even then it tells you to hustle through the pain. We've confused efficiency with fulfillment, and comfort with contentment. But comfort without meaning is just sedation. And this tiredness you feel, it's not laziness. It's your body and mind revolting against a life that lacks depth. The ancient monks called it acedia, a spiritual weariness. Not boredom, not depression, but a profound inner fatigue from living without inner alignment. So how do you escape it? Not with more sleep, not with another vacation, not by numbing the symptoms, but by facing the cause. Here's what actually works. Step 1, create space for silence. Every day, even just 10 minutes, sit in stillness. No phone, no music, no agenda. Silence isn't empty. It's full of answers. And in that silence, you might hear a voice you've ignored for years, your own. Step 2, audit your energy, not just your time. You're not just busy, you're drained. Track what makes you feel alive and what leaves you hollow. Notice the people, tasks, and environments that steal your soul in small doses. Then slowly, ruthlessly cut them. Step 3, reclaim one thing that matters only to you, not your boss, not your parents. You paint, write, walk in nature, build something with your hands. Do it not for productivity, but for presence. Let that be your anchor to meaning. Step 4, start telling the truth. Even in small ways. Stop saying yes when you mean no. Stop pretending to be okay when you're not. Truth is heavy, but lies are heavier over time. And every truth you tell returns a piece of your energy to you. Step 5, reframe rest as a right, not a reward. You don't have to earn rest through exhaustion. You deserve it because you're human, not because you're useful. Rest isn't laziness. It's resistance against the system that feeds on burnout. Because here's the truth. The world profits from your disconnection, your numbness, your fatigue. But your power begins the moment you choose presence over performance, silence over noise, truth over approval. You're not here to be a machine. You're here to be alive. And you won't feel less tired by doing more. You'll feel less tired when you finally start living in alignment with who you are. Not tomorrow, today. One small, sacred, honest choice at a time.